Are you someone that gets demotivated when rejection knocks the door and feels like their life is going down the drain? Well, we all are in the same boat, and this time the boat isn't sinking because you got me. Trust me, the boat will sink. Well, only if you decide to. If you think about it, we have associated our entire self worth to being successful at everything we try. How easy are we to judge others when we see them fail? But subconsciously, we do the same things to ourselves. One failure, and you're back to square one. When rejection knocks our door, the question arises: is it really rejection? Or is it redirection? Or it's a way to find out our shortcomings and shed light on the areas that we need to work on to become better. You will either be stuck on the hurt you feel after being rejected, or feel underconfident after not achieving the things that you've worked for so hard. Hello, pretty souls. I'm so glad that we are here today to talk about something that we all have faced at some point of our time in our lives: rejection. What if I told you that rejection isn't the end of the road? Maybe it's the universe's way of saying redirection. Trust me, the efforts never go to waste. You will surely be given a time and occasion to showcase all that you've worked for so hard and put them into action. So, today I would share with you how we can reframe rejection into redirection. This simple shift in perspective can change the way you approach every setback in your life. Well, a few years ago, I was on an intense job search and I knew that I had the perfect skills to crack the job. I did so much research on the companies and I sent out applications after applications, and finally, I had managed to get an interview with my dream company. And when I gave the interview, I felt like I absolutely crushed it. And I was so positive that I was gonna end up getting the job. But a few days later, I received an email with the word rejection. Honestly, I felt like wind had been knocked out of me. It was a hard pill to swallow, and I thought, why me? What did I do wrong? But here's the twist. Just 1 month later, I got an unexpected opportunity out of nowhere, and that turned out to be the best job I had ever had. So it was that rejection that led to my redirection. First things first, don't take rejection personally. I know it's hard, but the reality is that rejection isn't a reflection of your capacity or your abilities. Maybe it's just a sign that this particular job or this particular opportunity was not the right fit for you at the minute. Think of rejection as the universe's way of redirecting you towards your higher purpose. Maybe that job wasn't going to help you grow, or maybe that relationship wasn't going to bring you peace. Think of rejection as universe's way of giving you something even better and realigning you with your higher self. Rejection can be your cue to realign with something better. So it's not rejection, but it's redirection. Now, timing is everything. You might feel that you have missed out on a great opportunity because of rejection, but the right opportunity comes to you at the right time. I've been in situations where I felt like I was running out of time and I needed this particular thing right now. But if I look back at those setbacks, they only helped me grow, become better, and achieve more things in life. So, my second tip would be to trust the timing of your life. Just because it's not meant for you right now doesn't mean it's not meant for you at all. Stay patient and trust that life has a bigger plan for you, even bigger than you can imagine. Finally, let's talk about shifting the focus from rejection to opportunity. It's easy to get stuck in the negative headspace. Instead of asking, why didn't I get that? Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Rejection forces you to look at your journey and your life from a new perspective. It pushes you to grow stronger, refine your skills, and become better. Maybe it's an opportunity to try something new that you wouldn't have ever considered trying before, or going in a direction that you've never even thought about going in. There were moments where I felt like giving up, and I started to doubt myself and ask myself that, am I even made for this? But each time I faced rejection, it forced me to look something deep within. I started asking myself, what is this teaching me? And when I actually started doing that, something incredible happened. I started thinking in ways that I never did before. That's why I'm here talking to you today about rejection, because I didn't stop when it knocked me down. Instead, I used it to push me towards even bigger goals. Remember, it's not about rejection, it's about how you rise after it. So keep leveling up, keep glowing up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.